standing attention for the national anthem.
So good morning to all of you. Today you have organized this pre-celebration of 78th Republic Day of our India. Firstly, I want to say that all of you should know the significance, the purpose of celebration of this day. Why the 26th January is observed as a Republic Day in our country.
Your own self, and neither the thing about what we are and what we are supposed to do. We all know about our rights, as sir has rightly pointed out. Everybody knows about the rights, everybody knows about the constitution, when it was adopted and how it was adopted. Sir has given a very good and very piercing insight into our freedom struggle and our liberation movement, which I have already covered, so I will not go into that part again. My simple point is that we know all about our rights, but do we know and do our duties? So that is one thing which we are always lagging behind. And as a student, our first foremost thing which we nurture in our school is that we learn to do things, right? Right from our house, we learn to do things. And then in our school, we learn to do things. Right from writing to maybe acting to maybe dancing to whatever we are doing. Whatever things we learn is basically the grounding from our parents and then from school.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 26th January Republic Day of India. On this day in year 1950, our constitution came into effect, making India a democratic republic. The theme of today's Republic Day reflects the spirit of unity in diversity and the vision of Vikasit, developed Bharat. Our country is rich in culture, language, tradition and ideas, yet we stand united as one nation. This unity is our greatest strength. Republic Day reminds us of the rights and duties given to us by the Constitution. It teaches us equality, justice, freedom and respect for one another. As a young citizen, it is our responsibility to follow these values and contribute positively to society. Let us promise today we be honest, disciplined and hard-working citizens. Together we can build a strong, clean and developed India. Thank you.
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सबों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम यहाँ सभी 26 जनवरी भारत के गणतंत्र दिवस को मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। यह दिन वर्ष 1950 में हमारा भारतीय संविधान लागू हुआ, जिससे कि हमारा भारत देश एक संपूर्ण लोकतंत्र राज्य बना। आज के गणतंत्र दिवस की थीम एकता और विकसित भारत को दर्शाती है। हमारा देश अनेक भाषाओं, धर्मों और संस्कृतियों से मिलकर बना है, फिर भी हम सभी एक होकर भारत माता की सेवा करते हैं। यह हमारी सबसे बड़ी शक्ति है। गणतंत्र दिवस हमें हमारा अधिकार, कर्तव्यों एवं उनकी सारी मर्यादाओं का याद दिलाती है। संविधान हमें समानता, न्याय, भाईचारे का संदेश देती है। एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक के रूप में हमें इन मूल्यों को अपने जीवन में अपनाना चाहिए। आइए आज हम संकल्प लेते हैं कि ईमानदार, अनुशासित और जिम्मेदार नागरिक बन के विकसित भारत के निर्माण में अपना योगदान दें। धन्यवाद।